Sometimes the city just gets too loud. Tonight I'm looking for a different kind of noise. The prep is half the therapy. Skewering the meat, packing the gear, it's the ritual of leaving it all behind. And this side. Just me, the moon, and the open road. There's something about driving at night, like the rest of the world is paused, and I'm the only one moving. Look at that, a little local welcoming me to the spot. I think I'll stay right here. Washroom tissue, chili tissue. Work first, then the reward. Tents up, fires ready. Now for the main event. Cool. Nothing beats the smell of charcoal and wood smoke. It's the oldest comfort in the world.
Oh, overburn 了。对呀，我们在。好。OK。太酷了。
Watching the moon reflect off the water, it makes everything else feel small, in a good way. The night went fast, but as the sky turns rosy, there's no rush to go back. A new day, a clear mind. Thanks for coming along on this one. See you at the next camp.